All right, everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1968 Chevy Camaro Convertible. This lovely little first generation Camaro we have features a red with white SS stripes on the hood and rear deck. It also has the 2-inch cowl hood following a rear spoiler and a white power top. As for the inside, you got the matching red as it would the outside. Your dash is painted red, the seats are red, the console's even red. Door panels are stock. You even have the old-fashioned wheel. It even has the working horn. Some of the minor modifications done to this car, as you can see, it has added vintage air, 2-knob radio with cassette, and as you can see down there, you have a aftermarket clock. However, this was a special feature that you could order back in the day with the Camaro, but as you can see, it's updated now. Underneath the hood, you got the 327 riding nice and smooth. Other than that, we can give you a little bit of a brake test now. Brakes are really strong on this car. But other than that, she takes off good, very healthy, very fresh. It has a very appropriate sound coming from the back. But yeah, first generation Camaros are definitely top of the line now in the classic car world. But as for now, we're gonna get it turned around and up on the lift. So please stay tuned to see the underneath.